Hi, everyone is talking about this Korean chicken. Wait, let me dip it properly first.
And the sauce?
Wait, look at this. Let me dip it properly first. Wait, look at this. Let me dip it properly. Okay, that's actually really good. With a drink, this hits different. I didn't even realize. I almost finished it. Okay, wait, dip it like this? Yeah, this is actually crazy good. Yeah, I'm done. But I'm telling you, you need to try this at least once.